But first, we begin 3 states away in Michigan as an historic verdict in the Oxford school shooting case has many wondering why the same legal process was not followed here in Buffalo. A Michigan jury finding Jennifer Crumley guilty of 4 counts of manslaughter Tuesday. Crumley, the mother of the Oxford school shooter, now facing the possibility of up to 15 years in prison. On November 30th, 2021, Ethan Crumley shot and killed 4 students at Oxford High School. He was sentenced to life without parole in December. Now, Jennifer Crumley will be sentenced in April. Her husband, James Crumley, is set to stand trial next month. This Michigan case is the first in the nation where parents are being held accountable for a mass shooter's actions. And now a local law firm is hoping to create a similar blueprint as the case against the top mass shooter moves forward. I spoke with the Erie County District Attorney and a lawyer, part of a Buffalo law firm representing 2 of the families of the Jefferson 10, about how the Michigan mass shooting case and the Tops mass shooting case could be setting contrasting precedents.
This verdict represents kind of a turning point in how we handle mass shooting litigation.
Kristen Elmore Garcia, a lawyer with the law office of John V. Elmore in Buffalo, was part of a team representing Kat Massey and Andre McNeil, part of the Jefferson 10, along with a Tops employee who was at work the day of the shooting.
We do have a pending civil claim against the parents for what we believe is their negligence and how they contributed to the mass shooting. The evidence just may differ in type or quality or just what's available, or prosecutors may make a decision in terms of, you know, what's the best for our public, what's the best for our taxpayers. So I can't speculate too much.
Erie County District Attorney John Flynn says the evidence in the Michigan case was extremely overwhelming when it comes to the parents' knowledge of their son's behavior, which is why it differs from the Buffalo shooting.
We had none of that evidence in the Tops case at all. All right, so you know, this was a very specific fact pattern that was unique, that allowed Michigan to go forward with this charge.
Ignored his emotional state, ignored advice from the school teachers and educators and counselors, and that they had ample warning to do something to intervene on behalf of their child. And not only did they fail to take those appropriate steps, but also purchased him a gun.
But it begs the question, will parents be held accountable for future mass shootings involving their children? Flynn says no.
You would have to have all the facts that I laid out in order to do that, all right? So that's one aspect of it. The facts are just so unique in this situation.
He adds that it's a dangerous slope for society to be on.
Take the Kia boys, for example, the kids who are stealing cars. You get these young kids who are going out stealing cars, all right? You know, what are they going to do? Go after their mother now because they're out there stealing cars? You know, it's just, in my opinion, it's dangerous.
But accountability is top of mind for the law firm of John V. Elmore when it comes to Tops mass shooter Peyton Gendron's parents. They're approaching it civilly.
Our office took the steps to include the shooter here in Buffalo's parents civilly. We think that they bear some civil responsibility. So the ultimate goal would be the same, hold the appropriate parties accountable, but they're just 2 different vehicles or methods to do so.